Look at the chakras, Anjana here, third eye, is what we consider the command center. It down-regulates the other chakras into the body. It also relates to, the hypothalamus, the thalamus, the pituitary, which also down-regulate into the body. So what happens is all the other elements, the chakras become a headquarters for the elements. Earth, water, fire, air, and space. The elements are in the Sukshma Sharira, the subtle body. In the physical body, they become the senses. And earth is smell, water is taste, fire is sight, air is touch, space is hearing. Sometimes we see these two here interchanged, depending on the yogic tradition. So what happens is that our mind, right, employs the senses to go and engage with the world. And based on our karma, we'll get attracted to certain experiences. Then we develop likes and dislikes. And this whole process creates our individual version of the world. And there's numerous multitudes of versions of that. It's our individuality. It's individually how we experience the world, but we get caught up in this individuality. And our whole deal in yoga is to move away from a separate individual and come back to the truth that it's all one, that we're all unified, that it's a unified field. And then ultimately coming back into life and living through the heart and serving others.